As we have discussed before, the classes are presently being dedicated to solve all the previous NEET questions, and the first of the chapters is being taken, which is units, measurements, and dimensions. Out of this, we start discussing the questions in the chronological order of the year in which they have been given from the farthest to the latest. It means from the older questions towards the newer questions, I would arrive. And the first question is from 1988. And the question is, dimensional formula of angular momentum is. What is the dimensional formula of angular momentum? In order to get a solution for this, let us first get the basic idea of what are the different formulae for angular momentum. By definition, angular momentum is r bar cross p bar for a point mass orbiting in a circular path of radius r. It can also be given as mvr. From Bohr stationary orbit condition, we also know it is nh by 2 pi. So we have three different formulae. Out of this, to give the dimensional formula, I am picking the first one. Sorry, I am picking the second one. Okay. So we know that L is equal to mvr. Now, dimensional formula of individual physical quantities involved. Dimensional formula of mass is m. Dimensional formula of velocity L1 t power minus 1. If there was any doubt with that velocity dimensional formula, it should be displacement by time, which is displacement by time. We know displacement notation is s and time is t. So displacement by time, dimensional formula will be meter per second, because displacement is length. The units of v, of v will be meter per second, implies dimensional formula will be L power 1 t power minus 1. That's what is used. R is the radius. Radius is a length parameter. So dimensional formula of R is L power 1. So now using the complete dimensional formula of L, which is a product of MVR, will also be the dimensional formula product. The dimensional formula L, the dimensional formula for L will be the product of all the dimensional formulae of the physical quantities individually existing. Therefore, L will be equal to M1 into L1 t power minus 1 into L power 1, which is M is only once, L is twice, t power minus 1. Here I would like to tell you a very important point. The arrival at dimensional formula for L has been from second equation. If you look into the third equation, you can bring out some more very good information. L is equal to nh by 2 pi. N is principal quantum number and has no units. 2 pi is just a constant and has no units. Okay, so only L and H should have units. From units point of view, if you look, hence units of L and H should be equal from the law of or principle of homogeneity. So this implies dimensional formula of H should also be m1 L square t power minus 1. Very, 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 very important conclusion. Okay. Hope it is understood.